Hello and welcome to another Pakistan video. I'm Patrick, the German Pathan traveler. I'm back in my beloved city of Islamabad. And today I will check out the new downtown Islamabad area and the fountain. Can it compete with Dubai? Let's find out. Wow, what a start. This fountain is amazing. It can compete with the Dubai fountain at Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Big time. There's a cover fee of 500 rupees, which is about €1.50 or less than $2 to enter the area, but you can get a discount at the food court for the same amount. The big benefit, it is not crowded here. The entire area is brand new and will be the center of Islamabad called Parkview. Simply amazing. After this amazing fountain show, let's explore the area. The buildings here are brand new. For investors, a chance to buy a nice apartment in the area. Currently, there's a lot of construction in the area, and even the road to get here is still pretty bad. There are nice food trucks here with all kinds of different foods and sweets. I think in the future, when this is more developed, this will be the place to be. I really like the vibe of this place. The fountain show starts every 30 minutes, so let's check the next one, because it is about to start. Wow, this show is really nice. This place is worth a visit. I will come back for sure. It's fun for everyone. This is a big asset for Islamabad and the region. Simply wow. After this nice fountain, let's explore more, heading to Attock today. Hello and good morning from the border from Punjab to KPK. We are on the way from Islamabad to Attock city, which is about an hour away from Islamabad. This is Najib, you know Najib from my other videos, my friend and driver here in Islamabad. Now heading to Attock city, explore. They apparently have a nice train station. That's where we're heading first. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my channels. It means the world to me. Attock, formerly known as Campbellpur, is a city in Punjab at the Indus River. The city was initially founded by the Mughal Emperor Akbar as Attock Bararas. The city was called Campbellpur under British colonial times. It was named after Sir Colin Campbell, renamed back to Attock in 1978. Fun fact, Alexander the Great crossed the Indus River right here in Attock. The city and surrounding of Attock are well known for high representation among soldiers of the Pakistani army. Here you have a nice view over the Indus River and the Attock Fort. Attock Fort is a 16th century fortress during the reign of Akbar from 1581 to 1583 under the supervision of Khwaja Samsuddin to protect passage over the Indus River. The fort is used by the military and sadly, visitors are not allowed. Look at the massive Indus River. In the summer season, the river is full of water. The Indus River is 3,180 kilometers long, comes from the Himalaya and mouthes into the Arabian Sea close to Karachi. Look, two different kind of waters, and they are not mixing. Both waters have different minerals, and they don't mix. This is the center of Attock, 176,000 people living here, and it's the 60th largest city in Pakistan. This memorial, in the shape of a bullet, is a Pathan soldier's memorial of the Second World War. Now we're arriving at Attock Bridge, the highlight of today. The bridge was designed by Sir Guilford Molesworth and was opened to traffic on May 24th, 1883. It crosses the Indus River. It is known as the Old Attock Bridge. So one highlight here is this bridge. It's a train bridge on top. There will be the trains going, and in the middle you can walk over. This is where I'm going to walk over now in a minute. It looks stunning, huh? And this is the Attock River. And it has like two colors. There's like two different rivers coming together. And they have different waters and they don't really go together.
So there's a placard here from Westwood Bailey Engineers, Contractors, London, England, 1881. Look at that massive bridge. There's some rubble here. Hopefully not falling from the bridge. There's no Jeep. And now we're heading over this bridge, which lasted since 1881, so it hopefully lasts for the next couple of minutes when I'm on the bridge. Look at the stunning view.
It's very peaceful, no crowds, no noise. You can simply enjoy the piece of history and enjoy the views.
Very nice, very nice. Nice views. Very high. Look at the steel construction, very nice, huh?
From the other side, the views are even more stunning. This goat is a beetle goat, the typical Pakistani goat. Local people in Pakistan are always interested in a chat and are really nice.
Pakistan is a very beautiful country. Come, must visit. Like and subscribe.
Now let's head towards the train station. This is Attock Train Station. While not used for passengers anymore, it is still manually handling the bridge traffic. There's a museum here and you can get some information about the history of the station. Most equipment they're using are 100 plus years old, but still working. There's about 12 trains per day crossing the bridge. Video recording was not allowed at the train station, but we were allowed to record at the museum. There you can see all the equipment they are using in the last 150 years since the train station and bridge are in operation. Fun fact, they are still using the original British equipment. I was allowed to run the horn. There's also one old train wagon here. It's a really interesting place and I was asked to leave a note in the guest book. According to the guest book, they only have about 5 to 10 foreign visitors here per month. That was an interesting visit to this remote train station. On the way down, we're enjoying once again the amazing view of the bridge. Some more goats showed up and they were relaxing in the sun. It's so quiet and peaceful here. Stunning views and a nice piece of history. I'm glad that I came here. I wish the fort would be accessible for visitors, as it looks really nice too. But tourism is not that developed yet in Pakistan, even though it is really worth a visit. Some more facts about the bridge. The bridge spans 425 meters, has 2 levels and 5 spans, of which 3 spans are 78 meters long and 2 spans are 95 meters long. The upper level is used for trains and the lower level for road traffic. The bridge was part of the famous Grand Trunk Road. The road traffic was replaced in 1979 by the new Attock Bridge. Now we'll be heading back to Islamabad. The next video will be a flight report, Etihad Airways back to Germany. Christmas is just around the corner, so I'll take you along to some famous German Christmas markets in my next videos. I hope you liked this video and you will give me a like. If you're new here or you don't follow me yet, please follow my channel. Switch on the bell for new content. It means the world to me and helps me to grow my channel. If you want me to visit your city in Pakistan, then please leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching. Dil Dil Pakistan. Lots of love.